In this video, we will learn how to automatically create HubSpot contacts for new purchases in Kajabi. So assume that you are selling a course in Kajabi, and whenever a new customer makes a purchase here in Kajabi, you want to automatically create a contact here in HubSpot CRM so that whenever you want to follow up your customers or whenever you want to send an email regarding any offer to all your paid customers of Kajabi, you do not need to manually export the data and import it here. You can directly do the same via HubSpot only. So if you also want to set this automation in between Kajabi and HubSpot, come with me and I will show you the process step by step. So this is my Kajabi dashboard, this is the HubSpot dashboard, and I want to sync all my Kajabi customers with HubSpot in real time. For that, I'll have to connect these two applications, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box. Now, if you are a new user, you will have to sign up for free, where you will get free task also to test these kinds of automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on access now. I have clicked on first sign in, and then I have clicked on access now, and this is how you can also reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now firstly, you will have to click on this blue button. So just provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. I am providing auto create contacts in HubSpot when purchase made in Kajabi. Now click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever the purchase is made in Kajabi software, Kajabi application automatically add the user in HubSpot application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation, and in this case we are building an automation in between Kajabi and the HubSpot CRM. So that is why the first application here will be the Kajabi, and in the trigger event, well, I want whenever a new purchase is made in Kajabi software, this automation should trigger. So that is why the trigger event will be the same. And after selecting these two things here, you can see a webhook URL and few set of instructions are provided. So the idea here is we are going to connect Kajabi with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL by following up these instructions. So firstly, copy this webhook URL, go back to your Kajabi account, and here you will have to open that specific product, that specific course on the payment of which, on the purchase of which you would like to add the contact to the HubSpot. Okay, here you will have to click on this offer section and again click on this Java programming masterclass, and here at the top right corner you will find three dots. Click on those dots and finally you will find the option of webhooks, and here you will have to paste the webhook URL. So firstly, I have deleted the existing one and copy this and paste it here, and finally click on the save, and this is how the connection in between Kajabi and Pabbly Connect will be made. Now what will happen, you will have to click on this button recapture webhook response and firstly read the instructions. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking to do a test submission, and here the test submission means making a new purchase in Kajabi so that the details of the purchase can be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the same data to HubSpot application. So I'll go back to my Kajabi dashboard, and here I will copy the link of this particular website, okay, and then I will open the same offer link in completely a new tab, and here I will make a dummy purchase for this particular course with just a random details. And here you can see I'm selling this product for free, but don't worry, the process of the automation, setting up the automation for free as well as for the paid courses is actually the same. And since I'm creating this automation just to show you how connections can be made, so that is why here I'm selling this free course, but don't worry, the process will be the same, and I am assuming that you are actually making a purchase for the paid products. So let's say, assume that a dummy person is actually making a payment and the email address is actually the same, pabblytudes.com. okay, click on sign up for free and provide the basic details of the customer. So let's say the customer who is making the payment has the name as dummy customer only. All right, so let me provide the password also. Okay, so I have provided all the details. Finally clicking on this button create account, and you will see the purchase will be successful. Now I will go back to the Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here you will see the details of this new purchase will be captured here immediately. Here you can see the response is received, and here you can see the title is the same, and here's the name of the customer, and we even have other details, that is the email address, and this is how we have actually captured all the purchase details. So that means the presence of this data clearly showing that the first step of our automation is absolutely working fine, which was connecting Kajabi and Pabbly Connect and capturing the data of new purchase here. Now we are going to add the same details here in the HubSpot CRM. So that is why the second application which I'm going to choose here is this HubSpot CRM, and since I want to create a contact, so that is why the action event will be the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with HubSpot CRM, and provide the access of your account. Well, I'm already logged in some different types, so it will directly ask me for the permission. Okay, I have selected for my account, and here you will see the authorization will be successful. Now after the successful connection, you will have to just provide the basic details that are actually required for creating a contact in HubSpot CRM, because here you can see it is asking for several details. So I'm not going to fill all these details. In case you want to fill out these details, you can actually customize your checkout page in Kajabi, collect that particular relevant information, and then you can map the same information here. For now, I'm going to map the email address. So where is the email address field? Or okay, here you can see this is the email address, and from where I'm going to map the data, if you will click on this button, if you will click on this field, you will actually find the above data, basically the data of the Kajabi here in the response, here in the drop down. You just need to search for your email address. Here is the same, and map it. And what is this mapping? If you will map the data here in this particular field, this detail will be automatically replaced when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so this is the importance of mapping. All right, now I am going to fill the name of the person. So how about I directly search for the name, because we have lot of fields here. Okay, so this is the first name. Again, click on this field and search for the name, and we have the name as the dummy customer. Okay, I have mapped it, and finally I will click on the button. I'm leaving all the rest of the fields blank for now. Okay, so where's the button? Here you can see save and send test request button, but before that let me take you to the contact section of HubSpot, and here you can see we have 0 records. Now click on this button save and send test request, and waiting for the response, and yes, you can see the response has been received. Let's refresh our contact section of HubSpot. Okay, I'll have to refresh it once again. And here you can see the dummy customer, the same customer has been added here automatically without doing anything manually. Here is the name of the person, here is the email address of the person. So this is how now onwards, whenever someone is going to make a purchase here for your course, the same person will be automatically sync in real time with HubSpot CRM. So let us test this automation whether it is working absolutely fine in real time or not. So again, I will open my course in a different tab. So here is the product link, get link, copy it. And this time also again I am going to make a payment with just a dummy address. So how about I write it as dummy address only, dummy address @gmail.com. all right, click on sign up for free and provide the basic details as a customer. Okay, so dummy address, I'll assume that dummy customer or dummy user is the name of the person. Let us provide the password. Okay, I have provided all the details. Click on create account, and you will see the purchase will be successful, and yes, it is done. Going back to my HubSpot CRM, and here I will make a hard refresh. All right, and here you can see that dummy user, or with the email address dummy address at the gmail.com, the same person has been added here again automatically. So this is how you just need to set up this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once, and after that everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. In case you want to access this workflow into your account, I will add this shareable link in my description. description box. You just need to click on that link, sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your account for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.